Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how to formulate an anti-acne foaming face scrub using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the face scrub foaming build. I'm going to start by adding a chelating agent and I'm going to pick the sodium phytate. I'm going to input this at 0.2%. Next, I'm going to add some added extras, and this is to help build the product story. I'm going to select extracts that are in glycerin that have a good story and are often associated with anti-acne products. So I'm going to be using some marshmallow, some witch hazel, and some white willow bark. And I'm going to input these at 1% each. Now, because I want a high foaming, high cleaning but gentle product, I'm going to use some sodium cocoyl sarcosinate as my primary surfactant. And I want to keep it nice and mild, so I'm only inputting it at 6%. Next, I'm going to pick my amphoteric surfactant, and again, because I want to have a really good foam but nice mild skin feel, I'm going to use the sodium cocoa amphoacetate. And I'm going to input this at 6% as well. I'm going to add a super fatting agent to help ensure really good mildness from this product so that it gives a really effective clean but doesn't cause extra irritation. So I'm going to use the polysugarmose D9 as my super fatting and solubilizing material. I'm going to keep this at the minimum recommended input too. I'm not going to add any oils to this, but I am going to pick some essential oils that will have a really cleansing aroma and leave the skin feeling really fresh. So I'm going to use some spearmint and some lemon scented tea tree oil. Next, I'm going to add a small amount of antioxidants just to protect my essential oils in the formula. Now I'm going to pick my humectant. I'm going to use glycerin because that will help boost the foam and it's also really mild on the skin. And then I'm going to pick some xanthan gum to help stabilize and thicken my formula. Now I'm going to select my abrasive agent. Now I want a really fine, gentle polishing effect on the skin. So I'm going to be using some very fine bamboo powder. Now it is nice and small granules, so it won't scratch the skin, but it will give a really nice polishing clean. I'm going to input this at 5% to make sure it has a really good cleansing and polishing effect on the skin. Finally, I'm going to add some preservative. And because it's a nutrient-rich formula, I'm going to be selecting Yuxil PE 9010 and inputting it at its maximum recommended input. Now it's time to generate my method. And here is my formula and my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how to create a beautifully foaming but highly effective anti-acne bamboo scrub. You can get creating your own types of scrubby formulas with the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own foaming scrub formulas. Happy formulating!